Most people are losing money every month, and it's caused by one habit they repeat every single day without realizing it. Stay until the end where I answer the 3 most common questions about this. The vanishing act. You got paid, you paid your bills, you barely bought anything, and somehow it's already gone. This isn't bad luck, it's a leak you haven't found yet. The hard worker trap. You're putting in the hours, you're not lazy, but your bank account doesn't care how hard you worked, it only cares where the money went. The debt treadmill. You make the minimum payment, next month it's the same balance. You're not paying off debt, you're paying to stay in it. The more money lie. I just need to earn more. That's what everyone says, right before they earn more and spend more. The leak scales with your income. The daily drip. It's not the big purchase that's destroying you. It's $8 here, $12 there, $6 on the way home every day. Added up, it's a car payment. The invisible bill. Right now, there is at least one subscription charging you that you haven't thought about in months. You're paying for something you forgot you own. The deserve trap. I worked hard, I deserve this. That sentence has cost broke Americans more money than any single expense. You're rewarding yourself into debt. The bank's best customer. Banks don't build skyscrapers from your deposits. They build them from your overdraft fees, late fees, and minimum payments. You're funding someone else's wealth. The normal trap. You're spending to look like everyone else, but everyone else is broke too. You're all performing wealth for each other while nobody saves anything. The mirror card. The leak isn't the economy, it's not your job, it's not bad luck. It's a pattern living inside your daily decisions, and you're about to see it. Question 1. What is the invisible money leak draining your paycheck every day? The daily $7 math. $7 a day. Coffee, a snack, a random app charge. That's $2,555 a year, quietly drained before you ever see a savings account. The convenience tax. Every time you pay for convenience, delivery fees, express checkout, last-minute gas, you pay a financial penalty for not planning. It adds up to hundreds per month. Subscription creep. The average American pays for 4 subscriptions they never use. That's $50 to $200 a month on services that auto-renew while you sleep. The minimum payment illusion. The minimum payment is designed to keep you paying forever. A $3,000 credit card balance at minimum payments takes over 10 years to clear and costs twice the original amount. The food drain. Food, bought impulsively, wasted half-used, eaten out when tired, is the single biggest invisible money leak for most Americans. Not rent, food. The discount trap. It was on sale. Buying something you didn't need because it was 40% off means you lost 60%, not saved 40%. Sales are engineered to make you spend. Lifestyle inflation. You got a raise, your lifestyle got a raise too. Every time your income goes up, your expenses find a way to meet it. The gap never grows. The emotional spend. Stressed? You spend. Bored? You spend. Celebrating? You spend. Your emotions are being monetized, and every mood swing has a price tag attached. The scroll purchase. You didn't need it, you weren't looking for it, then you saw it on your phone, clicked, and bought it 3 times this week. The algorithm knows your wallet better than you do. The leak system. It was never one thing, it was always a system. Small leaks everywhere working together. Fix one and another bleeds. That's why you feel like you're always behind. Question 2. How do you seal the leak and actually start building from zero? The 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase over $20, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, you won't buy it. The urgency was the trick, not the need. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job before you spend it. Not a guess, a plan. $0 unaccounted for. This is how people escape paycheck to paycheck. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before groceries, before anything. Move even $25 into savings the moment your paycheck hits. Automate it. What you don't see, you don't spend. The debt snowball. List every debt smallest to largest. Destroy the smallest one first. That win rewires your brain and builds momentum. Every zero balance is fuel for the next one. The subscription audit. Pull up your last 2 bank statements. Highlight every recurring charge. Cancel everything you haven't used in 30 days. You will find money you forgot you were losing. The meal prep weapon. Cooking 5 meals on Sunday doesn't feel like a financial move, but it silently eliminates $300 to $500 in monthly food spending. The fridge is a savings account. The $1 start. You cannot save $0, but you can save $1 today, then $2. The number is never the point, the habit is. Wealth is built by people who started smaller than you think. The automation wall. Willpower runs out, automation doesn't. Set up an automatic transfer to savings the day after payday. You build wealth not through discipline, but through making spending harder than saving. The need redefinition. Write down your last 10 purchases and mark each one, need or want. Most people who do this exercise never look at their spending the same way again. The $1,000 wall. Your first $1,000 in savings is not an emergency fund. It's a wall between you and new debt. Without it, every unexpected expense becomes another credit card charge. Question 3. What habits do people who escaped debt and built wealth never break? The tracking weapon. People who track every dollar spend less automatically. Awareness alone reduces spending. You cannot control what you refuse to look at. The debt fire rule. People who escape debt treat it like their house is burning. Not, I'll handle it eventually. They attack it with urgency. Every extra dollar goes straight to the fire. The windfall rule. Tax refund, bonus, birthday money. Most Americans spend it within 72 hours. People who build wealth from zero treat every windfall like a ladder rung, not a treat. The hobby pause. Expensive hobbies, gear, events, trips, are not rewards for working hard. They are debt accelerators. People who escape fast pause the fun until the fire is out. The no muscle. Come out with us. Let's get dinner. Just put it on your card. Saying no to social spending is the financial skill most Americans never develop, and the most powerful one. The negotiation move. Call your internet provider, your insurance company, your credit card company. Ask for a lower rate. Most Americans never try this. Most who do, get it. The income stack. While paying off debt, one income stream is a single point of failure. One extra $200 a month, a side gig, reselling, one skill can cut your debt timeline in half. The credit shield. Your credit score is a financial weapon or a trap. People who build from zero protect it like cash. Every on-time payment is a brick in the foundation. The written plan. Intention is not a plan. A written financial plan, with numbers, dates, and targets, is the difference between people who talk about getting out of debt and people who do. Zero is where it starts. Everyone who built something real started at zero. The difference was never the amount, it was the decision to seal the leak, attack the debt, and move. That decision is yours right now. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos.